Alright guys, just out and about doing a bit of camping, just towing the borderline here. Got our new setup car, a new vehicle, the Holden Colorado extra cab ute, space cab, doing an awesome job of towing this trailer. We've upgraded this trailer a bit. This is not the upgraded one. Look at our videos, we'll show you the upgraded version of this. It's got a bigger front box, windows in the side, and we're running lithium in these now with solar panels on the roof as an option as well. And this one has the stone guard storage bag set up on the front, and a great little unit. We've been away camping for the weekend, just about to get back on the dusty roads. So this is my new ute. Set it up nice, you've got a new rear light bar set up on it, powder coated tray, and put bigger tyres and rims under it, extended mirrors, a few other things in there now, batteries, side boxes, got a canopy coming. It's going to look the part too, so hanging to get that finished. Anyway guys, we've got to keep going.